Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use Tinder Super Boost. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go and open the Tinder app, and as you can see there is a purple icon on the top right of the screen. You have to click on it, and here you will find the boosts. So first of all, the boost is an option available on Tinder that you can use it to be more visible in the app for some time, like this time normally and usually is 30 minutes. And this boost option is not for free, so you have two options. You can buy those boosts directly, and as you can see, those are the prices of them. You can buy one or buy like more than one. And the second option is to buy a subscription, Tinder Gold or Tinder Platinum. And if you buy those subscriptions, the app will give you one free boost every month. So that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video, and see you in the next one.